Welcome to church. The church has always been defined as the people who comprise it. And never just a building for gatherings. The church has never been confined to four walls. Because the heart of the church is to reach out to the community and serve. The church is people like you and me, connecting with each other through our faith and being there for each other when we need it most, like right now. In the first years of Christianity, nursing developed as an outreach of the church. This included risking their own health to care for the sick, feeding the hungry, caring for widows and orphans, and clothing the poor. Fast forward to COVID-19. The virus hit us all hard. The isolation was a new and difficult reality for us. We missed spending time in person with our friends and family. We worried about the pandemic spreading. We were forced to deal with the financial effects of shutting down. In the midst of the hopelessness and fear, the church stepped up once again. We delivered millions of pounds of food to families in need. We reached out to people online to spread the gospel's steadfast message of hope. We stayed connected to each other and our neighbors through whatever means we had to. We realized we need each other more than ever before, and we realized we'll get through this together. We learned that we are stronger together. Now as things reopen and we can see each other in person, we have a renewed appreciation for moments spent with our loved ones and those in our community. And we, as the church, will continue to reach out to those in need. The world still faces as much trouble as ever, but no matter what happens, we're in this together, and we are stronger together.